Good afternoon, one and all. I am Rekha Chakravarti, Regional Quality Head for Karnataka region for Apollo Hospitals Group. Today, I am going to speak on a very important aspect of patient safety, aligning patient safety to modern day science. To begin with, when I talk about the current model of healthcare delivery, it is the cluster of available healthcare information. For example, when the patient experiences symptoms, they undergo series of diagnostic tests, typically under the guidance of a doctor. Similarly, the pathologist uses machines to detect blood counts and abnormalities, and the radiologist uses X-rays to report their findings. The doctor then aggregates these information and prepares a treatment plan. A significant challenge in the above workflow is that the data is collected and stored in different formats and various isolated databases. Artificial intelligence uses algorithms that enables the computer to recognize specific patterns in data analysis and draw conclusions. The application of artificial intelligence is a tremendous potential to improve patient safety both inside and outside the hospital. The use of artificial intelligence in different areas of healthcare can drive a cumulative shift in both the focus and format of the healthcare delivery. As AI supports the diagnosis, monitoring of the patient on real-time basis, improved efficiency, speeds up the diagnosis process and boosts patients' engagement. Another key element of AI is that it reduces the burden on practitioners and thereby increases efficiency. For example, the rapid AI technology has helped us at Apollo to reduce the turnaround time of door to thrombolysis time, as it uses AI to process MRI diagnostic images for patients with suspected acute stroke, which helps the doctors to report more faster and more accurately. Another classic example where AI has helped to improve the efficiency and accuracy at Apollo is that the use of Ognito Speech API, which is built to power the clinical software with voice intelligence and integrate seamlessly to improve the efficiency of the practitioners by freezing up their crucial time to focus more on patients rather than typing on the screen. At Apollo, we are also using this app of AI for monitoring the real-time vitals of the patients. The two models that we're using is Life Sciences and Dozy. These health monitors silently track the patient's vitals while the patient is taking rest, which helps in early detection of the deterioration of the patient's condition, which ultimately saves the lives of the patient in real time. These health information can directly be accessed by the healthcare providers remotely through these apps. Emergency 2.0 was also implemented to analyze the patient vital information on the monitors. AI is also being used to predict potential medication errors, which also includes adverse drug events and provide recommendations to support decision making. AI-enabled robotic surgeries have enabled the surgeons to achieve high precision, safety, flexibility, and achieve control in complicated surgeries and procedures. Thus, overall, we see that the AI has a great potential to improve the safety of care. For AI to be effective, implementation of data-driven analytics will require the organization to develop, support, and iterate clinicians, teams, and system workflows for continued patient safety improvements. Thank you.